Hello there, this is a short video showing you how to use Google Classroom. So once you've signed in, you can see up here, once you've signed in, it will show you a little icon with your school information. You click the waffle icon and scroll down to Classroom. And Classroom will link you to the website, which looks like this. Now you can see this is where all your classrooms will appear if you've either been given one of two things. You've been given a code by your teacher, which can be centrally coordinated by schools or sometimes sent to you directly via email, or they can directly invite you, which will mean Google sending you an email with a link to click, and then it will bring you straight to one of these pages. I'm going to be using this one to show you exactly how it works. So this is my test account, which has been created by Mrs. Finn. And there are three main parts to every different classroom. Mainly, that there's the stream, the classwork, and people. The stream is actually where things happen over time, so you can see that they're time stamped, and as new things get posted, they'll fly to the top. So you can see that all's happened in here because it's a test account. Is Mrs. Finn has just sent a message saying welcome, but she's also sent me some work. Now that will appear in one of two places. It will appear here in the stream, but can obviously get lost. When it's got a deadline, it will appear here in the upcoming section, but it will also appear up here in classwork, and I recommend using classwork because it shows all of the things that you've got to do over time. Now all you need to do is click over the assignment and it will show you exactly what you need to do. So my instruction is, it's called assignment 1 example. My instructions are, it's an example for Google Classroom, obviously for the use of this, and this is my document. So obviously I've not created anything, but this is my own personal version. I click on it and you can see that it looks almost exactly like Word, and I can edit exactly as I would do using Word. So I can say, here is my work for assignment 1. Now let's say that that's done, I've finished my work. You don't need to click save because it's already been saved. It's already saved it to my drive, you can see that here. And if I'm ready to submit my work and I've finished it and I know that my teacher's going to want it back, I click this button which says turn in. And turn in will send it directly back to whoever the teacher is for the classroom. And it will take me to this page which says turn in, and that will send it back to Mrs. Finn. Now I can unsubmit if I need to, if I feel that I want to make some edits before the deadline or change something. But I can also add other things if I really need to, and private comment Miss to let her know that I've perhaps done something wrong or I need to change it or anything like that. You will get some feedback on your work from teachers, and you'll see that once it's been returned to you, you will get comments from that member of staff, and obviously you can reply privately to them and you can speak to them about how you can make those changes and anything that needs to happen next time. But that's the basics of how to find and create work. A couple of other things with regards to this. The People tab just shows who's actually in it, and normally it will see who the teachers are, but also the list of students, and with a little link to email them directly, which is a nice way of working it through. But the main part, like I say, over time, is that you will always get notifications through to your email whenever any piece of set work is set by a teacher, and it will have the deadline and all the instructions on there. The important thing is it can use Word, PowerPoint and Excel, but it's a lot easier to use with Docs, Docs, Slides and Sheets, and hopefully work will get set using those forums so you can use them online anywhere at any time. As ever, if you have any questions or you want to find something out more than this, make sure you contact your classroom teacher or your form tutor at school, and we'll try to help where we can. Thank you, bye bye.